5. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. The Galaxy Watch 5 offers advanced sleep coaching to help you manage your overall sleep quality. It features a sleep tracker that detects and analyzes your sleep stages while you rest. Additionally, the advanced sleep coaching function analyzes your sleep patterns to assist you in developing better sleep habits. The watch supports various applications such as a fitness tracker, blood pressure monitor, multi-sport tracker, time display, and GPS. It utilizes Bluetooth for connectivity and follows the Bluetooth 802.11ac wireless communication standard. One of the notable features of the Galaxy Watch 5 is its body composition analysis capability. You can conveniently access body composition data right on your wrist. The watch provides readings on body fat, skeletal muscle, body water, basal metabolic rate, and body mass index. This allows you to keep track of your body composition on your own schedule. The sensor accuracy of the Galaxy Watch 5 has been improved. It incorporates a curved Samsung Bioactive sensor that ensures accurate heart rate monitoring. The sensor design enables it to be in closer contact with your skin, enhancing the accuracy of heart rate measurements. The watch's battery life has been improved, enabling it to keep up with your busy schedule throughout the day. Additionally, the Galaxy Watch 5 offers a connected experience with other synced Galaxy devices, allowing them to work seamlessly together. This integration enhances the overall functionality and convenience of using Galaxy devices. Number 4. Meer Mini Portable Projector. The small and portable pocket-sized projector is a convenient device measuring only 11.9 cm x 8, 6 cm x 4, 8 cm and weighing just 0.29 kilograms. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere, just like your smartphone. Whether you want to watch movies, play games, enjoy sports live streaming, go camping, or have a party with friends, this projector serves as your own private theater. This projector is powered by a 5V divided by 2A power source, such as a wall charger or power bank, as it does not have its own built-in battery. This makes it ideal for travel, hiking, and camping where access to electricity or a TV may be limited. It is also popular with children for their entertainment needs. Equipped with multiple ports including USB, HDMI, AV, SD, and audio, this projector offers versatility in connectivity. You can easily connect it to your smartphone, TV stick, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, tablet, or laptop to play videos, TV series, sports live streams, games, and more. In terms of performance, it offers 400 lumens of brightness and supports a resolution of 1080p. The aspect ratio can be set to 4:3 or 16:9, and the projection distance ranges from 1 to 3 meters. You can project an image size of up to 60 inches. Additionally, the built-in speaker provides authentic sound, enhancing your viewing experience. To connect your smartphone, tablet, or laptop directly to the projector, you will need a lighting to HDMI, micro USB to HDMI, or Type-C to HDMI adapter, depending on the type of device you have. For wireless connection, a Wi-Fi display adapter is required for screen mirroring and screencast functionality. If you wish to stream content, it is recommended to use devices such as Fire Stick, Google Chromecast, or Roku to access various streaming services. Please note that adapters are not included in the package, so you will need to obtain them. Number 3. This Works Sleep On It Gift Set. Cleanse Your Mind is a routine designed to help you relax and prepare for a restful sleep after a long day. By following this routine, you can achieve a calmer state of mind for yourself and your entire household. To begin, apply the stress check roll onto your pulse points. Inhale deeply to experience the soothing blend of eucalyptus, frankincense, and lavender essential oils. This will help alleviate stress and promote a sense of relaxation. Next, use the Sleep Together calming spray as a gentle room spray. By creating a tranquil environment, you can foster a feeling of calmness throughout your home. This spray is safe to use even for children aged 6 months and older, making it suitable for the entire household. To enhance your sleep quality, spritz the award-winning Deep Sleep Pillow Spray onto your bed linen and pillows. This spray is formulated to induce a deep sense of relaxation, helping you ease into a peaceful slumber. By following this routine, you can enjoy uninterrupted winter hibernation for yourself and your family. It provides a holistic approach to cleansing your mind, reducing stress, cultivating calmness, and promoting restful sleep. Number 2. Apple AirTag 4-Pack. The Find My app allows you to easily keep track of your items, both with the help of friends and your Apple devices. Setting up an AirTag with your iPhone or iPad is as simple as a one-tap setup. If you can't locate your item, you can play a sound on the AirTag's built-in speaker to help you find it. Alternatively, you can ask Siri for assistance. With the use of ultra-wideband technology, precision finding can lead you directly to your nearby AirTag. Even if your item is further away, you can rely on the Find My network, which utilizes hundreds of millions of Apple devices to help locate your belongings. If your AirTag is lost, you can activate Lost Mode, which will automatically notify you when it is detected in the Find My network. To prioritize privacy, all communication with the Find My network is encrypted and anonymous. Location data and history are never stored on the AirTag itself. The AirTag's battery is replaceable and lasts for over a year, ensuring its longevity. Additionally, it is IP67 water and dust resistant, making it durable and suitable for various environments. To personalize your AirTag, there is a range of colorful accessories available for purchase separately, allowing you to make it uniquely yours. Number 1. Yoto Speaker. The Disney Classics Collection Volume 1 is a package that includes a Yoto player and 6 audio retelling stories of some of Disney's most beloved films. The collection features audio cards for Frozen, 101 Dalmatians, The Little Mermaid, Pinocchio, Dumbo, and Sleeping Beauty. Setting up and using the Yoto player is easy. You simply insert an audio card into the player to start playing the story and remove it to stop. Alternatively, you can control the device using the free Yoto app. The Yoto player is designed to be kid-friendly and offers parental control features. It provides up to 10 hours of screen-free entertainment per charge, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for children. All content available on the Yoto player has been carefully selected and created with children in mind. The device does not have cameras, microphones, or ads. In addition to playing audio stories, the Yoto player has multiple uses. It features a pixel display that brings the audio to life visually. It can also be used as a sleep sound machine, a bedtime storyteller with a nightlight, an alarm clock with an OK to wake function, a portable Bluetooth speaker, or with headphones for personal listening. Overall, the Disney Classics Collection Volume 1 with the Yoto player provides a safe and engaging audio experience for children, allowing them to enjoy Disney's timeless stories and explore a variety of other content. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.